If you want to make money online, and if you want to become a rich man, a rich guy, a rich girl, and whatever you are, and if you want to become a rich person, then you have to do just message me on my personal WhatsApp, and my personal number is 72978734041. Just DM me right now and message me a success. Yeah, message me money. I will tell you how to make money online, how to make money so many ways. I will tell you everything about it. Work under my mentorship, under my guidance, and so many things. Whatever you want, just message me right now. Look at me. That's his bamboos. I'm in a China. You can feel it on a beautiful villa. It's on a Majamal beautiful villa. Like, look at the view. The view is huge, huge. So where we are at perfect health is wealth, and if you do exercise, lot of exercise and all the things, your body will automatically take shape or great shape into in it, and you should must follow uh, exercise and all the exercise that you work hard. If you work hard, your body will be gain and your muscles will be like, you know. Yes, look at this. I'm not on bulking, but I am on like shape. That's why I have, like, I don't like bulking. I like lean, and lean is great for me. Lean and flexible I like, and that's why I couldn't like. Oh, holy shit! What it comes to? So many insects are there, and I am so tragic about all this. And where we are, if you do work hard, and if you work hard for your health, body, and your legs becomes strong and so many powerful. And if you are the person that you can change your whole life by yourself, by doing thing, that if you want to upgrade yourself, and you have to do with yourself. And then another one is mindset. The most, it comes into a different part, not in a health part, because this thing, if you are disabled, able, you have to make it strong. This one, like, my hands are not working and my legs are not working, and all the things like this, but you have to strong at that moment. You have to strong this one thing, because if your brain is so strong for you, and your body is disabled, you can do anything. Because if your mindset can do it in your brain, visualize it, you are the person that you can walk it, talk it, and so many things like that. If you visualize and if you imagine all the things, then you should do it, and that is so great thing for you. Wait for some time. Place where you can blackberry, this is the great place to make video. I am at, so where we are, change your mindset. Because if your mindset is great, and your mindset is very big, and your mindset is unbreakable, unthinkable, like, imagine unimaginable thinkings, like, if you want to, if you are such a poor guy, think about Lambo, think about the whole shit, millions of tons of money, and your lifestyle. Just visualize it, just visualize it, just visualize it, just dream it, like, you are sitting in a Rolls Royce, you are sitting in a Mercedes, and all the kind of stuffs. If you do that first step in your life, you must listen. If you want to shoot arrow, bow and arrow, you have to mark your location, just like circle. If you want to shoot arrow on the circle, you have to think about that. Just listen. If you want to go less LA and America, then you have to just think about that place. Like I want to go LA and America. I want to go LA, Australia, America, Russia, and all the kind of stuff. Like I just particularly choose I want to go Paris. Select the one thing. Like I want to go Paris, and you should must take a flight of Paris, not South Africa. Understood? That's why you have to think about it, and you have to make a plan. If you just visualize it, dream it, and if you make a plan it, first is visualize it, then plan it, then achieve it, work it, then achieve it, and then enjoy it, and the process will again and again. That's why I told you that mindset is a very beautiful thing, and beautiful dangerous things also, because this thing, if dangerous, then it can finish whole world, and it can a good way, it can do so many great things. Understood? So many great things, like for yourself, because if you do great things for yourself, like just imagine, like seriously. That's why I told you that changing mindset is a so big thing and so hard thing, because so many people around you is so many negative thoughts and talk about that, like this. Holy shit, don't focus on other distraction. Then what's going on newspaper, like 5 murders, gangsters, and all the kind of stuffs, accident, and so many things. Why are you focusing on that? You haven't any growth for. If you read that news and all the things of it, if you have any profit, then do it. I don't disagree with you. If you have any profit or any great thing happens, if you want to do, yeah, if you want to yourself, if you want to do by yourself, if anything you can do, if there is a profit, there is money, there is a work for your mindset, there is anything for you, then just do it. But if something is you read it, if you do it and it really negative impact on your brain, then just can't do, just don't follow it, just can't, just shut the fuck off all the distractions. Okay? That's why when I am become in a 16 to 17 age, I just, at this age I am 18-year-old, 15 16 age, I just read all the news, and just after reading the news, I just imagine 5 murders and 5 robberies and all the kind. I just imagine that both those murders and those robberies, how it's like my mind is really thinkable, and in a wrong way, in a negative way, and that is really bad thing for me, because it's not profitable for me, because I need growth, I need profit for my brain, for myself, for my family, and for my world. That's why. And the corrupt system has planned to negative fill with the negative thoughts and all the negative stuff like that. You can't think from just you can't think from box, you just think from your box, like whole box, your like school is your whole box. You can't think about outer, and you, that's why some of the all the students will take dropouts from the schools, college, and because they just stuck at the one thing. There are so many limited things you have to do, and if you take dropout, I wouldn't say you will take dropout. You will take dropout only when you have a great plan, and your like great vision. Understood? I have a great vision, I have a great plan for it. That's why I am not interested in school, college. I just pressurized, my father pressurized me, and I just completed my school, and I don't want to graduation, because I know what the fuck is going on the hell world, because the world is so brutal. You have to think about different and think about yourself. You have to become selfish for yourself, for your career, not about being a man, being a human, you don't have to make a selfish person. If you become a great person for yourself, selfish person for yourself, for your career kind of, and at that time, like you can understand how to become selfish person, selfish person for yourself. Like if you are thinking for your future, thinking for yourself, and yeah, blah blah blah, and some people kind of people say that you are so selfish. Bro, I'm thinking about my career, myself, for my parents, and I want to retire my parents as soon as possible, because I want to see in a great luxurious place, great luxurious villa, great luxurious places where they can't imagine, and they can't imagine their life, how the how their son is do it a great thing happen. Because my dad and my family had not saw any kind of luxurious things, and all the things I have to conquer it and show it how I can achieve it, and all the things that I should do it and show them. And just and that thing is really happiness. That's one is really biggest happiness, because if your parents are happy, then you are a great person, and your happiness on the top level of the world. Like because buying such a luxurious car like Lambo, Bugatti, and Bugatti Chiron, and living in a beautiful villa and so many things, yeah, that's a part of life, but not a full of happiness. The full of happiness is your mother father is a great place living. You retire your parents as soon as possible, and your parents, you must give your parents a beautiful life, and tell them you are a great mom, dad for me, for yourself, for yours. Understood? And if you do this thing success, you are a successful man in the world. And after becoming the successful person, you should help other people. I always say help other people, like in education purpose. And entrepreneurship is a really great place where you can help other people. And I really appreciated entrepreneurs are great, because when AI comes, like only entrepreneurs exist. Because that's why I'm saying you start a online business and all the things. You have to become entrepreneurs. Yeah, if you're doing a job, if you're doing a 9 to 5 job, you have to equity, you have to start some business, and you have to become your own boss in one side, like side hustle. And because tons of employees are fired from the sorry, I said hired, I want to say fired. So many employees are fired from their jobs, and they lost their jobs, all the kind of stuff. They are so depressed, and they don't have any another income stream. That's why I'm just saying you income streams, create income stream, create one another one income streams. You will become a successful person. Like if you have a unlimited income streams, you will become a successful person in your life. And if you do all the things like that, you are a great person in your entire life. Like when I saw my mom dad, they are so sad, because they are just think about that I didn't do any great thing, and I don't pay any great things to him, because they just at the first time, at the starting time, your parents are don't believe on your process. And if you believe in yourself is 100%, then bro, congratulations, you the self belief is a so powerful thing. Self belief is everything. Self belief is the most powerful thing in the world. If you if you do self belief and self trust, self subconsciousness, your subconscious consciousness brain is so powerful, like you can't imagine it is so much powerful and so much helpful for you. If you think about your life, your luxurious life, your life full of luxurious life and all the kind of things, if you think about your life, beautiful life, then your subconscious mind will gives you a path, and you have to conquer it, achieve it, and work it. Hard work is smart work is, and do it as much as work, and you will be become a great person. Because once I saw in a like in Japanese, once I saw the process, like in the Japanese process there is a kind of process that if your pots or yeah, teapots will be broken, then it is not useful for you, but they will put they will just rejoin it all the pots, like using the gold लब होता है ना, that is a gold लब, and that's like gold plated and like liquid gold, melting the gold and paste it like size by, paste it and take again regenerate the pot in a different way, and tada, the pot price is really boom increase. Because why? They add something special in the pot. That's why if your past is really bad, and your past is so like you just think about that, I'm not successful person, I'm depressed, and I am anxious, anxiety, full of anxiety, on patience, I don't have patience. Bro, just think about, just change your mindset, change your thoughts. You can do anything you want it, because anything is possible. And if someone say impossible, bro, what the fuck, still impossible always say I am possible, I am then possible. Just mind it. Fuck, there is no such thing exist in the entire world that impossible. Still impossible says I am possible. Just you do hard work and all the kind of smart work, and all the kind of works that impossible needs. Because just you have to pay the price for that place and that kind of thing you want to become. If you want to become that, because God wants to teach you that you are capable of the things that you want to achieve it. If you think about small things, God, just think about that. God, how will he give you? Because you are just thinking about from your ground. Think big, always think big. Like if you want to earn 3 rupees, think 10 rupees. Yeah, I want to earn 10 rupees, you will be achieve 5 rupees almost. Understood? Like if you I want to see my portfolio, I want to make $900 million, 900 million. You can 9 into 8, 8 9s are 63, and no 72, maybe it's my mathematics is so low, that's why I'm saying. And I want to need $900 million, not 1 billion. I just need limited amount of money, that because the ordinary and the luxurious life is started nahi hai. The ordinary and luxurious life, top luxurious life, like yacht, beautiful yacht, and that luxurious life will be end at like 20 to 30 million. Just imagine, I need a lot money for start my own business, start my own company, equity, and take it in a automations, and gives me such a beautiful things and so many things. That's it. If you want to make money online, just DM me right now, just message me right now. I am the founder and CEO of myself, and CEO of that unscripted Ranjit. Just subscribe my channel. If you watch every day, I will tell you everything about how to grow yourself, grow your mindset, grow yourself, your brain, escape a corrupt system and become a great person. Great. Just if you want to so many money, if you want to a lot of money, you have to do just something great, just great things. And remember one thing, great things happens but it takes time. Great things happen but it takes times, bro. Just mind it. So bye bye, good to see you, and we'll meet in another video tomorrow. Bye bye. And it's Unscripted Ranjit. More and more share and subscribe, more share and subscribe, share and subscribe.